In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to favorite a creator in Fortnite Creative. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to browse through a creator's profile and favorite them. So whenever you browse through any of the game collections here, when you go over to the lobby, choose play, and then you find a specific one that you would like to favorite, all that you have to do is open it up and you will see who made it, you will see details about the experience, and at the bottom right, one of the options is going to be View Creator. So for me on PC, I simply have to hover over it and click. If you are on console, you will most likely have to press a specific button like A, for example. So all that you have to do now is choose View Creator, and you will find them here. So as you can see, this one, for example, has 1.2 million favorites, and if you want to favorite them, just choose the button here. You favorited your first creator. Content from this creator is now available in your library and discover. So now you can head over to your library and you will be able to browse through all of their collections. So it is extremely simple to do, and you can browse through as many creators as you want, including, of course, Epic Games itself. So all that you have to do is to choose the View Creator at the bottom right and then Favorite. It is simple and it should work with literally any game that you find when you go over to play. So choose View Creator, their name will be listed here. Then you can see their profile and other social media that they have. So sometimes they might have a YouTube channel that you want to check out. There will be a YouTube icon here, a Twitter or X profile, TikTok, Discord, and so on. Following them is extremely simple, and there are plenty of creators that will make awesome things in Fortnite. I hope I was able to help you on how to favorite a creator in Fortnite Creative. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.